Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a Memoji contact poster on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and create your own Memoji contact poster on the new iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the phone's application, and I want you to tap on your card right there. Next, let's tap on contact photo and poster, and let's tap on edit right here. I want to go down to the last option and tap on create new, and as you see we have this option called Memoji. So let's go ahead and tap on Memoji, and we can actually go ahead and choose the specific Memoji that we want to go ahead and use. In this case I'm just going to use maybe this pig option over here for this example, and as you see I could actually go ahead and take a photo or a video, but in this case I'm just going to do that real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on next once I'm happy with that. So as you see we have the Memoji already placed on our screens, and once you're happy with all of the necessary details over here, you can also go ahead and change the color over here on the background color on the lower corner and change the Memoji option on the Memoji icon. You can also change the depth of the background to turn on the depth effect on or off. But that's basically it for this video, guys. So once you're done, just tap on done. It's automatically going to be saved. Tap on continue, and you can now use this contact poster for your devices. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.